Tafla dros White. Canfo Kieran Smith. Efo White unwaith eto. Canfod Luke Wall. Wall efo'r croesiad. A Venables ar y postyn pella. Ddim ond yn gallu rhoi'r bêl i mewn i'r hwyd ochr. Arsan sy'n newydd dod ymlaen. Codi'r croesiad i mewn i'r cwrs Cosby. Mae wedi dod at Lysana Mendes. Mendes. A peniad Chris Venables sy'n rhoi'r tîm carter y blaen. Ac ar ôl ychydig dros chwarter awr, rhif 9 y Bala yn rhoi'r tîm carter y blaen. Mendes efo'r gic. Teg at y postyn pella. A peniad Nathan Pete. Heibio'r postyn. A fod feddi heibio oddi. Ond dihangfa i Pontypridd reit ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta. Mendes unwaith eto. Peniad Amon. Mor bell a Luke Wall. A mae'n di mynd i mewn. Oddi ar Kieran Smith. Ail gol Kieran Smith yn erbyn Pontypridd o fewn wsnos. Taflad hir gan Arsal yn cael ei ffynio ymlaen. A mae wedi dod at Smith. Smith yn sgwario'r bêl at Mendes! A rywsut mae Mendes di methu. Efo'r gol yn wag o'i flaen o. Lysana Mendes yn rhoi'r bêl heibio'r postyn o 6 llath. Wall yn torri tu mewn i Notts. Luke Wall efo'r croesiad at Newell. Newell! Yn rheoli'r bêl yn wych efo'i gyffyrddiad cynta. Ond i ergyd o. Ar ei droed chwith heibio i'r postyn. Notts o dan bwysa gan Newell. Luke Wall efo'r croesiad tuag at Mendes! A dyna hi'r drydydd. A teg i ddweud bod hwnna wedi bod ar y cardia.
Ryan, you had to work hard for it, but a comprehensive victory in the end.
Yeah, I think the scoreline in the end 3-0, looks comfortable. I don't think it was that comfortable. We went in at half-time and we said, give Pontypridd a bit of credit after Tuesday as well. They're not a bad side. They come here, they defended well, made it difficult for us. And, going in at 1-0 at half-time, I think we deserved it. But, yeah, it was a difficult game.
Yeah, listen, Bala deserved to win today. Do you know what I mean? After the second half, they really stepped it up and by far the better side second half. And I felt you could see the tiredness in our boys' second half after the efforts we put in the last 10 days. But no, the credit was to Bala today. They definitely deserved to win.
We were very disappointed with the performance and obviously the result after Tuesday night. Difficult place to go, it was a long drive, but a few people missing, but no excuses really. We weren't good enough, we weren't at the races, so it was nice to get back on track today really.
And from a personal point of view, you missed a game or two with suspension, you're back in the team and you've scored twice in a week.
No, I haven't scored today. Didn't score today.
You didn't score today?
No.
I thought...
No.
You said... we thought the second one that you deflected it in.
No. Oh no, I left it through my legs. To be fair, I tried to get a little touch on it, let it go through my legs.
Right,
I think
okay.
Wally's claiming it.
Well,
to be
thanks for
fair.
feeding that one in.
Yeah, so that.